Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bankable Banking as a Service. Bankable Banking as a Service offers a platform for businesses to integrate banking functionalities into their applications. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of offering financial services, targeting fintech startups and established businesses looking to enhance their customer offerings. Key features likely include APIs for account creation, transaction processing, and KYC's AML compliance tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing models. Bankable positions itself as a streamlined and secure solution, emphasizing ease of integration and compliance. They highlight their robust security measures and focus on efficient onboarding. Pricing transparency is a key selling point, although specific details are best found on their website. Availability is likely dependent on geographic location and regulatory compliance, so checking their website is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bankable Banking as a Service. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented and I was able to connect my existing systems within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard clearly displays key metrics and the API documentation was comprehensive. I used their API to integrate account creation into my own application, and the whole process was seamless and fast. The performance was excellent, transactions processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a real-time view of all the transactions. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated KYC AML checks, saving a lot of manual effort. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for the customer-facing interface. More templates would be beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bankable's banking as a service. It streamlined my development process and provided a reliable banking integration for my application. That's my overview of Bankable Banking as a Service. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.